In this video you will learn how to store user sessions in Redis so every app server can read and write them instantly, and how to spot common mistakes when reviewing code that does this. When your app runs on more than one server, a session stored in one server's memory is invisible to the others. Redis solves this by acting as a shared, low-latency session store that every server talks to. Redis hashes let you group all session fields under one key. You can read or update a single field in constant time without touching the others, which keeps things efficient as session data grows. HSET writes all session fields at once. EXPIRE sets a 1800 second, that is 30-minute idle timeout. After any activity, reissue EXPIRE to slide the window forward. Delete handles explicit logout. The most common bug is setting EXPIRE only at login and never refreshing it, so active users get logged out. The subtler one is two separate round trips for HSET and EXPIRE. Use a pipeline or HSET with EXPIRE in one transaction to avoid an immortal session on crash. 4 rules. Use a hash. Key it by a random ID. Refresh the TTL on every request and delete it explicitly on logout. Get those right, and your sessions are fast, shared, and safe.